Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. On today's menu, guys, we are going to be making creamy cucumber dill salad. This simple salad takes 5 minutes to put together, made with just a few ingredients, and it makes the perfect side dish for any meal. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. So here guys, I'm using English cucumber and dill. We're gonna thinly slice cucumbers. You can use a mandolin slicer for perfect cutting if you have one, but I'm gonna use my knife today. Next, chop fresh dill. Combine sliced cucumbers and dill in a medium bowl. Then add plain yogurt. Mix well until everything is well combined. Here I have 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. I'm gonna add salt, give it a quick mix, then add it to the salad and toss everything together. Cover and place in the fridge for at least 1 hour to allow flavors to marry. Do not make it too far as it will get watery. If you want ingredients and measurements, make sure to check the description box. I have everything in there. If you are new here, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Consider subscribing, hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified. Like the video and leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honey.